doing, guys? Hope you are well. It's dreary, it's cold, it's dark, it's miserable, but sometimes I like days like this, but today I want sun. But we ain't got sun. So I'm gonna do a quick dish, and this really is quick. I mean, it's one of those dishes where you've got to be on your game and everything just piles in right at the end. You know what I mean? So it's healthy, it's a seafood dish, halibut. Yes, it's expensive, but isn't everything expensive? It's delicious. So yeah, let's crack on. Right, I'm gonna make chermoula sauce. It's, what is it? It's North African salsa style. I've made it a few times, it's really, really good. Cross between what a salsa and chimichurri, great on anything. Great on whitefish, great on chicken, anything. Lamb, beef, you name it. Really, really good. Quick to make, that's why I've got this blender. We're gonna make it. So what do I need? I need my parsley and cilantro. Cilantro. You know, before I came to the States, I used to hate this stuff, but I love it now. Beautiful. Right, we're gonna wake up these spices. We're gonna make them dance like a little bit. We've got paprika, ground coriander, and cumin. All right, so add to the pan. And these are not gonna take long, about 1 minute max. Smell amazing. All right, now, add all these to the blender. I thought I'd just stop here. While I'm editing the video, I've noticed the file missing. It doesn't really happen very often, but when it does, it's really annoying. So as you can see, I've put the toasted spices in the blender. After that, I put cilantro, followed by parsley, olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, and salt. That's it. But it's missing, and it's really annoying, but it's fine. Anyway, back to the video. All right, let's blitz. And as quick as that, it's done. You put that on some fish or some meat, it's gonna take it to the next level. And those toasted spices make it have a distinctive flavor. And you taste it and you think, not bad. But when you keep tasting it and having it with stuff, you're gonna think, wow, it's really, really nice. It's one of those that grow on you. All right, let's start off with the couscous, and this is literally gonna take 5 minutes to cook. Not long at all. So what you do, add your couscous to your bowl, and then your hot water. And then just give it a mix, and then cover. All right, so while the couscous is cooking, add a little bit of olive oil to the pan, and we're gonna cook some spinach. We'll wilt it down. This is not going to take long to cook at all. Mix your tomatoes. Now give this fella a good stir. Salt and pepper, and some grated garlic. Nice. And then you just want to cook that garlic out for about a minute or two. And I just want to get like a little masher and just lightly break them tomatoes. And it creates like a little juice. It smells amazing. I've just checked my couscous, and it's nice and fluffy. It looks beautiful. And now add the spinach and the tomatoes and garlic to the couscous, and then just give that a light stir. That's it, that's it. You can serve this warm, you can serve this cold, delicious either way. But can you see how quick this meal's going? It's going fast. Right now, the fish, the beautiful halibut, the fish, the halibut. This is what I'm gonna be using, halibut. Yes, it's bloody expensive, but you know, I like halibut. You can use cod, you can use any white fish for this. It goes great. Salmon, I mean, anything is great for this dish, really. But I do like halibut. Make sure you take the skin off after you've cooked it. Obviously, there's no skin on this. Halibut skin can be a little chewy, tough. So, I mean, you can cook it with the skin on and that protects it, but I'm gonna give it a nice sear on this fish, and it's gonna be delicious. Medium heat, olive oil, and get your fish in. For the size of my fish, that's not gonna take long to cook at all, about 3 to 4 minutes each side, 3 minutes, probably 3 minutes each side. You want a nice sear on that fish, and leave that alone. Pan's doing its work now. Just leave it. Don't even look at it. Just leave it alone. And then just give it a tap when I'm about to turn it, and that'll just lift it from the pan. And then just a little bit of lemon juice over the top. Get some of that spinach and tomato in the middle. Look at that. Chermoula. Depends. It's up to you how much you put on there. And just a little touch of extra virgin olive oil just over the top. I can tell there's a lot of flavours going on here. It's just gonna smack you in the mouth. It's gonna taste the halibut. Oh my. I love that crust. You've got to get that crust on that halibut. It just alters it. Reminds me of one of those TV shows when they go, they're beautiful because I cooked it. It's absolutely amazing. It really is. But deep down, they know it's absolute crap. But this is good. Chermoula. All these flavors just pop, man. They just pop. Beautiful. Really, really is. It's quick. It really was quick. Healthy. Great midweek meal. Give it a go. Thanks, guys.